Unit wise revision, important concept, points to be remembered. Part 2, neutralization reaction. Here, acid react with base. There is a formation of salt and water. For example, acid is HCl, and it react with base is NaOH. There is a formation of sodium chloride and water. Metal oxides. These metal oxides are basic in nature. These metal oxides react with acid, and there is a formation of salt and water. You have to remember the point. Hydrogen ion cannot exist alone. Okay. Hydrogen, it reacts with H2O. There is a formation of hydronium ion. Okay. Sometime he will ask the question. Hydronium ion H3O plus. In the absence of water, HCl molecule cannot generate the hydrogen ion. Water is not there means this HCl does not generate the hydrogen ion. Acid generates hydrogen ion, base generates hydroxide ion. These two important points to be remembered. Alkali. Alkalis means what? Bases which are soluble in water, that is known as alkalis. And dissolving an acid or base in water is highly exothermic reaction. We are dissolving the acid or base in a water, that is known as exothermic reaction. Okay. Mm. Exothermic means heat is liberated. Yes, yet acid must be added to the water, not water to the acid. This is one of the important point. Acids always you should add in water, but water, not water to be added in acid. Okay. And mixing an acid with water results it decreases the hydronium ion. Mixing an acid with water results and it decreases the hydronium ion. Mixing and base with water results the decrease in hydroxide ion. Dry HCl gas not changes the color of the dry litmus because it does not generate the hydrogen ions. This is very important. Dry HCl gas not changes the color of the dry litmus because it does not generate the hydrogen ions. pH scale, a scale measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution, that is known as pH scale. pH of the neutral solution is 7. Acidic solution is 0 to less than 7. Basic solution is more than 7 to 14. These are the very important points for the pH. Acidic solution below 7. Less than 7 is the acidic solution. Basic more than 7 and up to 14. 0 to 7 is acid. 7 to 14 is base. 7 is the neutral. Okay. 0 to 7 is acid. 7 to 14 is base. 7 is the neutral.